Data engineering services in Microsoft Fabric are the capabilities that enable you to design, build, and maintain infrastructures and systems that allow your organization to collect, store, process, and analyze large volumes of data. You can use various data engineering services to ensure that your data is easily accessible, well organized, and of high quality. Some of the data engineering services in Microsoft Fabric are 12. Lakehouse. Lakehouses are data architectures that allow organizations to store and manage structured and unstructured data in a single location, using various tools and frameworks to process and analyze that data. This can include SQL-based queries and analytics, as well as machine learning and other advanced analytics techniques. Apache Spark Job Definition. Spark job definitions are a set of instructions that define how to execute a job on a Spark cluster. It includes information such as the input and output data sources, the transformations, and the configuration settings for the Spark application. Spark Job Definition allows you to submit batch/streaming job to Spark cluster, apply different transformation logic to the data hosted on your lakehouse along with many other things. Notebook. Notebooks are an interactive computing environment that allows users to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. They allow users to write and execute code in various programming languages, including Python, R, and Scala, and are used for data ingestion, preparation, analysis, and other data-related tasks. Data pipeline. Data pipelines are a series of steps that are used to collect, process, and transform data from its raw form to a format that can be used for analysis and decision-making. They're a critical component of data engineering, as they provide a way to move data from its source to its destination in a reliable, scalable, and efficient way.